Hello everyone, I'm Shikha Joshi and today we will create a very simple landscape in oil pastels. I'm using these artist oil pastels to create this beautiful painting in very simple steps. So let's start. I have created just a few lines, one margin line and little bit lines. Now what we'll do is we'll first start with the sky. So we'll take the shades of light blue and we'll give the shades of pink, purple, white and a pinch of orange. So I'm adding a pinch of little bit of pinkish shades. We'll add pinch of purple also along with it, and in between I'm taking some white color. Now with the help of a finger we'll merge these colors. Now the below area will take all the shades of green and will give the depth with the green color to make the plants. So I'm taking the shades of only darker green and then lower part will be little lighter green. And with the black color first I'll give the details and then I'll add the green color on it to give the highlights of the tree, yellow and green. So the tree will stand out from the rest of the plants at the background. उसको अलग दिखाएंगे हम. Now this part will be a little lighter so that we can differentiate in both of them. So what we will take is, we'll take the sap green, the lighter sap green shade. We'll add the color here. Making some dots with a little darker color, and we will add some white dots to make the flowers on it. It will take time, but you can gradually add them. So the reflection of water will have the effect of the sky and the trees, everything. Now this part would be a little darker because it has more of reflection of green. And then here we will show some bushes. Merge it with your hand. Now I am taking this Mandala Dot tool and I will just give some effect by scratching the painting. I'll just show you how. So just I'm adding the effect with this tool to give the depth in the painting. So let's remove the tape and see how it looks. So our painting is ready. I hope you'll enjoy creating it. Do create it, and of course don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.